Is it okay? Okay. Hello students, am I audible? Please reply yes. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. So, myself, Vijay Singh Parihar. You can call me VSP sir. Here I am teaching you chemistry along with other members of your Sri Gosalite family. Today I will start some basic concepts of mole concept. Okay, some basic about mole concept. In mole concept, there is so many things we have to study in separate topic. Here, I will teach only basics. Before going to start my topic, I will just discuss something with you. Okay, good afternoon. Hello, hello. First thing, when you came here for long-term batch, most of the students think that in previous examination, current examination, I have not scored good. Is it possible to score good in this year? Answer is yes, absolutely it is possible. I have seen so many students who have scored 120, 130, 170 like. It is very little score. Even though they get above 600. Just one thing which is needed, that is your dedication, your hard work, and you have to follow the curriculum provided by the institute. Because the quality content which we are going to deliver here for you, no one can give you. I can guarantee it. I can guarantee this because we all are very experienced. We have been teaching from a long back. Means when it was AI PMT, we were teaching. And we have produced so many single digit ranks. And now it's your time. Now it's your time to prove yourself. For that, only one thing is required. Follow the curriculum and just read each and every line of NCERT. In bio and chemistry, it is very important. Just decode the NCERT. Each and every line you should understand. And if you are able to understand each and every line, I can promise there will not be at least one question. Means I can say all the questions will be from NCERT. After examination, you cannot claim that, sir, there was one question which was not taught in the class, which was not present in NCERT. First thing is that. Second thing, your temperament. You have to maintain your dedication, you have to maintain your plan of study, you have to maintain your regular basis planning till examination. If you can plan your study accordingly, you can get good score. What happened in initial first 1 or 2 months or 3 months, most of the students do a lots of hard work. They give sufficient time to their studies. But after some time, they become lazy. Some of you will start thinking, might be this year also I'm not going to get good score. A lots of stuff. In some cases, parents start saying, you are not getting good score in your test. So how you will get in NEET examination? And other blah, blah, blah. And after all these circumstances, few students get depressed or they stop studying. All I want to say, don't get distracted till your NEET examination. And if you are able to follow this, 100% sure you can get good result. You will be in medical college next year. Okay. So with all these things, I will start mole concept. Here I will give you some basic concepts. So first of all, what is mole? What is mole? For that, I will explain you concept regarding to 1 mole. Mole is just a number. Mole is just a number. Like if I say 1 dozen of banana, anyone know it is 12. If I say 1 pear, anyone know it is 2. Likewise, mole is just a number. As you know 1 dozen, as you know 1 pear, likewise you should know 1 mole. 1 mole is roughly 6.023 into 10 to power 23. It is also called Avogadro's number. It is also called as Avogadro's number. And this is denoted as Na. Na. Here A should be capital. Please be careful. If you are representing Avogadro's number like this symbol, by this symbol Na, this A should be capital. Because if you take this N small a, then it becomes sodium. You know that. So while writing Avogadro number in terms of this symbol, please be careful. Always write A in capital. Because sometimes students quickly answer Na, small a, and they got -1. Okay. Now move to next. This is not end, just it's a beginning. Okay. If I say 1 mole is 1.6.023 10 to the 23, sir, if this is the 1 mole, then why mole concept is so vast? So for that purpose, we need to know the importance of mole. Actually, you know that atoms or mass of atom is very less, very less. So for that, so a problem arises. For example, if I say you have to weigh a material which is of weight 2 kg or 4 kg, you can easily weigh it. But if I say you have to weigh one hair, you will say it is very difficult. Now let us assume if someone say just weigh one atom, which is very small, very small. Answer is it is almost impossible. In order to solve this problem, they have developed a concept of mole. By this, they have taken a large quantity which is, I have mentioned earlier, 6.023 into 10 to the 23, and they said it is 1 mole, and we will calculate all the data regarding to atom, ion, molecule, etc. in terms of mole. So our problem become easier. Okay, that is the main purpose of mole. But mole can be coined or term or written in various forms. For example, if someone write like this, 1 gram atom of oxygen, 1 gram atom of oxygen. Someone write like this, 1 gram molecule of oxygen. If it is written like this, 1 gram mole of oxygen. Before going to gram mole, I will explain here gram ion of oxygen. 1 gram mole of oxygen. Since here I have taken ion, I will write it oxide. Okay. Now, this concept which I am going to explain here, it is very important, because if you don't know the exact meaning of these terms, you will get -1 sometimes, because if you will be get confused. For example, if I read first statement, it is 1 gram atom of oxygen. 1 gram atom of oxygen. If you don't know exact meaning of this statement, what you will think? It is saying 1 gram, 1 gram means mass, 1 gram atoms of oxygen, and your answer will be wrong. Actually, whenever gram atom, gram molecule, gram ion or gram mole are written in continuous manner, it is mole. Means gram atom means mole, gram molecule means mole, gram ion means mole, and gram mole is obviously it is mole, undoubtedly. So if it is written 1 gram atom of oxygen, please be careful. Please be careful. This 1 gram atom, this 1 gram atom, this gram atom means mole. So you can write it 1 mole. Why 1 I have taken? Because it was 1 gram, 1 gram atom. Let it was 2 gram atom, then I have to take it as 2 mole. If it was 3 gram atom, I have to take 3 moles. Likewise, you can understand. One more thing. Here it is 1 gram atom. Atom, emphasize on this word. Atom means you have to take oxygen atom. You have to take oxygen atom. So 1 gram atom of oxygen means 1 mole of oxygen O. Okay. Now read second one. It is 1 gram molecule of oxygen. It is 1 gram molecule of oxygen. Gram molecule are written in continuous manner. What I said, if gram atom, gram molecule, gram ion, gram mole are written in continuous manner, all are explaining one thing, and that is mole. So 1 gram mole, ignore 1, just focus on gram mole, molecule. Focus on gram molecule. What does it mean? Gram molecule means mole. Gram molecule means mole. So 1 gram molecule of oxygen means 1 mole of what? This is the question. Answer is available in this statement. If you see carefully, it is talking about the molecule. It is molecule. You can see here, it is molecule. So 1 gram molecule of oxygen means 1 mole of, please reply, it is O or O2. Very good, very good, very good. It is O2. It is O2. Now, read this one. 1 gram ion of oxide. 1 gram ion of oxide. It means here, it is gram ion. Gram and ion both are written in continuous manner. It means it is mole. It is mole. 1 mole of what? Oxide ion. 1 mole of oxide ion. You know the formula of oxide? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Very good. It is 1 mole of oxide means O2 minus. Now here, one thing I want to explain. Sometimes examiner may write it like 1 gram ion of oxygen. That's all. 1 gram ion of oxygen. So from this point, you can understand gram ion means mole. Definitely you can understand. But if it is written 1 gram ion of oxygen, there is so many ions of oxygen are available. It may be oxide, it may be peroxide, it may be superoxide. So in that case, if there is a confusion or if clear statement is not given, we have to take the most common case. We have to take the most common case. And for that purpose, if it was 1 gram ion of oxygen, we take 1 mole. But which ion we have to take? The most common ion of oxygen. And the most common ion of oxygen is, please, anyone? Please, anyone? Most common ion of oxygen? Sneha, it is oxygen 2 minus. 2 minus should be in right upper subscript. Yeah, you are right. You are right. Very good. Okay. So if it is 1 gram ion of oxygen, let it was 1 gram ion of oxygen, then your answer will be 1 mole of O2 minus. This is also very important. You can understand. Last one. Here it is written 1 gram mole of oxygen. Undoubtedly, gram mole means mole. But here it is oxygen. They have not mentioned oxygen atom or molecule. Just it is oxygen. It is not mentioned here whether we have to take oxygen atom or oxygen molecule. It is not mentioned here. Then what should we do? Again, if things are not mentioned, we have to take the most common case. And one more thing, in the case of atoms, molecules, if it is not clearly mentioned, you have to take the most common naturally existing form. What I said, if it is not clearly mentioned, we have to take most common naturally existing form. And most common naturally existing form of oxygen is O2. Most common naturally existing form of oxygen is O2. So here it is gram mole only and oxygen only. They have not mentioned whether it is oxygen, they are talking about oxygen atom or oxygen molecule. Then we will take most common naturally existing form and it is O2. So here our answer will be 1 mole of O2. Okay, it is done. Now you can note down the things. Firstly, just make a heading, mole concept. Mole concept. Write down please things which are visible on your screen. Okay, anyone writing? Please reply. Yeah, it is done. Okay. Anyone? Okay. Shall I move forward? Okay. Now, please note down this one also. Please note down this one. Okay. This one? Full blank. Okay. Yeah, it is much better. Yeah, background is changed. Okay. Okay, it's done. If anyone writing, please reply. Okay, okay. Now, move to next part. Okay. So, we have learned simple terms related to mole, what is mole, what is gram atom, what is gram molecule, what is gram ion, etc. Okay. Now, in order to understand the mole concept or basics of mole concept, we have to understand few basic things like what is STP, what is NTP, what is SATP. But before going to this detail, I want to explain one important term, that is molar mass, and another is molar volume. Molar mass and molar volume. These two terms are very important. What is molar mass? Anyone? Anyone who want to answer? Please reply. What is molar mass? Molar mass. Molar mass. No, it's not molecular mass. Molar mass. Mass corresponding to one mass of 1 mole. Mass of 1 mole of what? Mass of 1 mole of substance. Okay. Can we take mixture? Can we take mixture to explain molar mass? Or is it possible to explain molar mass for a mixture? Someone is saying yes, most of students are saying no. Okay, let we have a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, helium, hydrogen. Can we explain molar mass for that mixture? Yeah, Sanvi is right. She is right. Yeah. Oh. If your answer is no, it is wrong. Okay, okay. No problem. Just understand. Molar mass. Molar mass. It can be denoted as MW. It can be denoted as MW. Okay. Molar mass. Molar mass simply means mass of 1 mole of substance. If you say mass of 1 mole of substance, it is correct, but it is partially correct. It is correct, but not 100%. The thing is, molar mass is 1 mole of any entity or mixture of n number of different entities. Means molar mass, someone is saying at STP, wrong, because mass is independent of pressure, independent of temperature. So there is no relevance related to temperature and pressure. So STP is not required to explain molar mass. STP concept is not required to explain molar mass. Okay. Mass is independent of temperature and pressure. Na? You can understand. It is very simple concept. Okay. So what is molar mass? Molar mass is defined for 1 mole. That is okay. No problem. No problem. Molar mass is defined for 1 mole. But 1 mole of what? One type of entity only. Let's say oxygen only, nitrogen only, hydrogen only, helium only, or mixture of different entities. So answer is, it can be defined for one and more than one type of entities, whether they are individually present or they are present in a mixture. Okay. So molar mass is simply mass of 1 mole of substance or mixture of different substances. Molar mass is mass of 1 mole of substance or mixture of different substances or different species. Okay, you can say. Okay, the mass of sample compound divided by amount of substance. Okay, so molar mass simply you can write, please note down molar mass, mass of 1 mole, mass of 1 mole of a substance or mixture of different species. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance or mixture of different species. Okay, it is done. So it is very important. It can be explained for mixture as well, not for single entity only. Okay. In order to explain this concept, I will take few examples. First of all, I will write few simple things which you might be knowing already. Okay, let's say I say molar mass of O2. You will say it is 32 and its unit will be gram per mole. Already it is defined for 1 mole, so we have to take per mole. The molar mass of O2 is 32 gram per mole, or you can generally call it like 32 only. Okay, but actual, if you write properly, it should be 32 gram per mole. In general, we say it is 32. That's okay. If I take N2, it is 28 gram per mole. If I take H2, please be careful, I have taken H2. For H2 it is 2 gram per mole. If you want to know the proper concept of this molar mass, you have to know the symbol of few atoms. It is not needed you know the symbol, complete symbol of all the atoms. But you have to know few simple, few very easy atoms and their symbol. For example, oxygen, it is written as 8O16. In this symbol, this 8 represents atomic number and this 16 represents its atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of one atom. Molar mass is defined for 1 mole and atomic mass is defined for only one entity. What I said, atomic mass is defined for 1 and molar mass is defined for 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 entities. Okay, it is clear? And if I know the symbol of any atom, I can guess its molar mass. Let's say it is 8O16. Here this 16 represents its atomic mass. And this 16 can also be written in gram for 1 mole of its mass. Means this 16 has two different concepts. If this 16 is written in AMU, one more thing I want to explain. Let's say it is 8O16. If this 16 is written in AMU, if this 16 is written in AMU, atomic mass unit. If this 16 is written in AMU, it is the mass of one atom, one oxygen atom. Why oxygen atom? Because it is O oxygen symbol. If it is written in AMU, it is the mass of one atom. One more thing I want to write it here. If this 16 is written as 16 gram, if this 16 is written as 16 gram, then it is mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. So in a symbol of atom, just please listen carefully. In a symbol of atom, there is two very important informations are present regarding to their mass. In any symbol of atom. Let's say it is 8O16, then this 16 represents two things. If this 16 is written as 16 AMU, then it is representing mass of one atom. And if this 16 is written in gram unit, then it is representing mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. By this concept, you can simply understand the difference between atomic mass and molar mass. Atomic mass is for 1 and molar mass is for 1 mole. I am repeating it again. So you grab the concept. Again I am repeating, just listen carefully. If mass of given element or from the symbol, it is written in AMU, it is for 1. And if it is mentioned for 1 atom, then it is atomic mass. And if it is mentioned for 1 mole, it is molar mass. Is it clear? Please reply. Can you differentiate between atomic mass and molar mass? Yes, okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Anyone who is not able to understand, please reply. Because most of the students are replying, they are able to understand the concept. Anyone? Yeah. One person is saying, sir, can you repeat once? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. In order to explain it more, I will take one more example. Okay. I will take one more example. Let's say I have taken aluminium. Its symbol is 13Al27. This is the symbol of aluminium. Okay. In this 27 is mass number. This 27 is mass number, and this 13 is atomic number. Okay. It is clear. Now this mass number 27, can be written as 27 AMU, and this 27 can also be written as 27 gram. Means mass number can be written in AMU as well as gram. Okay. If it is written in AMU, it is the mass of, please reply, 1 aluminium atom or 1 mole aluminium atoms. Please reply. Please, I am waiting. 1 atom. Very good. 1 atom or 1 mole atom? Mass of 1 atom. Very good. 1 aluminium atom. Very good. Okay. 1 atom. Very good. It is mass of 1 atom. Mass of 1. And here it is aluminium. So I can write it 1 aluminium atom. It will be much better. Okay. If it is this 27, this mass number 27 is written in gram, if this 27 is written in gram, then this is the mass of, please reply, mass of 1 mole. Very good. Anyone who don't have answer 1 mole? Anyone, please? If he's okay, 1 mole. Okay. It is mass of 1 mole of aluminium atoms. There are lots of number of atoms. Na? In 1 mole, there is 6 into 6.023 into 10 over 23 atoms, which is a large number, which is a very large number. Okay. So here we can understand two things. If this mass number is written in AMU, this is the mass of 1 atom, and mass of 1 atom is called atomic mass. Mass of 1 atom is called atomic mass. And if this 27 is written in gram, I am talking with respect to aluminium. For other element, it will be other than 27. Okay. Few students are thinking, okay, we have to take 27 all the time. No, I am talking about the aluminium only. Na? So this 27 is relevant to or related to aluminium only. So now, if this 27 is written in gram, then it is the mass of 1 mole of aluminium atoms. And 1 mole, whenever we take the mass of 1 mole of any entity, it is molar mass. So here I can write this part, when we have taken 1 atom, is representing atomic mass, and this part, where it is taken in gram, is representing molar mass. My handwriting is not very good, okay. It is like doctor, and only two type of people can understand this handwriting. One who are already doctor, another who are going to be doctor. So you can understand, I am 100% sure. Now you can note it down. Note down, please. Okay, done? Anyone? Please reply if he is still writing. No, completed, done, very good. Okay, done. Now, note down this part also. Please note down this part. One more example is here. Please note it down. Done? Someone is asking, sir, can you please tell us the timing in offline? Please call office number, okay? Okay, done. Noted, very good. In order to make your simple concept, I will give you some more examples, okay? 1H1 is the symbol of hydrogen. Few symbol you should know at least, okay? 1H1, this is the symbol of hydrogen. 2He4, this is the symbol of helium. If I am saying 1H1, I have taken the most abundant isotope of hydrogen, okay? Because in the case of hydrogen, there is two more possibilities. One is deuterium and another is, third one is tritium. So I have taken most abundant form of hydrogen, and for that it is 1H1. Helium it is 2He4. Nitrogen it is 7N14. Again I want to say I have taken the most abundant form of nitrogen. There is 7N other than 7N14. Okay, I have taken most abundant form. For oxygen it is 8O16. It is also most abundant form of oxygen. There is so many other isotopes like 17 and 18 also for oxygen. But I have taken most abundant form because here I am not going to explain you isotopes. Here I am going to explain you atomic mass and molar mass. For that purpose I need some common examples which oftenly come in the examination in your questions. Okay. Let's take sulfur. It is 16S32. Okay, note down please. So it means molar mass, many atomic mass combine, it make molar mass. They do not combine, they can be placed at one side, one place, okay? They can be kept together. They are not going to combine. Combination is different thing. Let's say a lots of people come together at one place and we weigh the mass of that complete population. It doesn't mean they are going to combine with each other. Combination is different thing. If they combine, they will lead to the chemical reaction. Okay, group of atoms, you can say, they are placed together in order to define the mole. Okay, noted? Now, if you know the basics, you can explain the molar mass of different molecules also. For O2 it is 32. How we came to this answer? We know the symbol of oxygen. It is 8O16. 8O16. If one oxygen atom, one mole of oxygen atom weighs 16 gram, then two atoms, because in O2 molecule there is two atoms are present, na? So if one mole of oxygen atom is weighing 16 gram, then two atoms of oxygen will weigh 32 gram. 16 into 2, very good. If I take ozone, if I take O3, what will be its molar mass? If I take ozone, O3, what will be its molar mass? 16 into 3. 16 into 3, very good. It is 48. 48 gram per mole. Please note down, then after that I'll explain more examples. Anyone is still writing? Please reply. Okay, it is done. Now take some bigger examples, bigger molecules in order to understand this concept. I have taken H2SO4. H2SO4. Please explain, please answer its molar mass. What will be the molar mass of H2SO4? Please answer. 98 gram per mole. Very good. How we can find the mass? One mole of hydrogen atom weigh 1 gram. 2 mole of hydrogen atoms are present in this H2SO4 formula. Okay, so 2 for both the hydrogens. For sulfur it will be 32. And for 4 oxygen, 1 oxygen 16, 4 oxygen 16 into 4, it will be 64. So our answer will be 98 gram per mole. No, 64 is wrong answer. Yeah, most of the students are right. They are saying 98. Okay. Calculator. What a good name. Please calculate again. It will be 98. Okay. Please note down if you want. It is very simple. Yeah, you have answered for O4. Okay, I got. Now, let's say I have taken SO3 molecule. Please reply me, what will be the molar mass? Molar mass of this molecule. Very good. 80. Very good. Okay, correct answer. All the students have given correct answer except one. Yeah. Okay. Right. Correct. Very good. For sulfur, it will be 32. And for 3 oxygen, it will be 16 into 3. 16 into 3 means kitna? 48. So it will become 80. And unit will be gram per mole. This unit is very important because mostly we ignore this unit, gram per mole. This gram per mole unit is relevant with the definition. That is why it is very important. It is 80 gram per mole. Now, if you want, please note down. Please note down quickly. Done. Very good. Now move to next and most important concept of molar mass. Very important concept. Because most of the students think that molar mass is defined for one type of entity. One type of entity means oxygen, nitrogen, SO3, SO2, whatever. But I said earlier, we can define molar mass for mixture as well. One question is there, sir, we use gram per mole unit for finding weight only. Molar weight, rather molar mass. Molar mass is better term. It is for molar mass. Okay, mixture part, okay. Let's say I have mixture of hydrogen, oxygen and helium. I have a mixture of oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen and helium. Since it is a mixture, let's say I have taken plus sign here. In order to explain, these three are present in one place, okay, or in one container. Let's say 2 mole of hydrogen is present, 1 mole of oxygen is present, and 2 mole of helium is present. Two mole of helium is present. And someone asks, can you define or can you find the molar mass of this mixture? Then answer is yes, we can find it. How we are going to find the molar mass of mixture? For that purpose, firstly we will calculate total mass of the mixture. How we can find the total mass of mixture? We know the mass of 1 mole of substance. Then we can calculate molar mass for any given moles of a substance. It is like if someone say you can buy one chocolate by paying 20 rupees, let's say 20 rupees. And if you want to buy 4 chocolates, how many rupees you have to pay? You will say for one chocolate it is 20, for 4 chocolates it will be 4 into 20, 80. Likewise, mole concept work. Mole concept is simple mathematics which you have learned in 8th, 9th, 10th class. Just you have to understand few more concepts. Calculation is simple. Calculation is like 8th, 9th, 10th mathematics. Okay. So if I want to find the molar mass of, question is, what is the molar mass of this mixture? Molar mass of this mixture. So firstly, I will find the total mass of mixture. Why total mass of mixture, sir? Because I know that, you know that molar mass is defined for 1 mole. Molar mass is defined for 1 mole. If you know the total mass for given mole, can you find mole mass for 1 mole? Answer is yes, absolutely we can find. We can calculate easily. It is very simple. That is why I am saying firstly calculate mass of given mixture. Rather total mass. It is much better to understand. Things are same. Okay. So how we can calculate? Just solution part I am writing in different color so you can understand. White part is question and yellow part is solution. So you can understand the concept. It is H2. What is the molar mass of H2? Molar mass of H2 is 2. Very good. Ramya is correct. Okay. H2. Molar mass of H2 is 2. Here I have taken 2 mole. For 1 mole of H2, molar mass is defined for 1. Always remember. 1 mole of H2 weigh 2 gram. 1 mole of H2 weigh 2 gram. Then 2 mole of H2 will weigh 2 into 2, 4 gram. So its mass is 4 gram. Here I have taken 1 mole. Just in order to make concept much better, I'll take some other quantity. Let's say it is 3 mole. And let's say it is 4 mole. So question will become slightly complex. Okay. So 1 mole of oxygen, I have changed the data to explain more things. Okay. 1 mole of oxygen weigh 32 gram. You know that. 1 mole of oxygen will weigh 32 gram. Here I have taken how much? 3 moles of oxygen. So what will be the weight of 3 mole of oxygen? You will simply say, sir, it is 32 into 3 equal to 96. Okay, 96 gram. Likewise, it was 2 gram for 1 mole. Here 2 moles are present, so 2 into 2, it is 4 gram. For helium, I am taking 5 mole in order to explain concept. Helium, what is the molar mass of helium? It is 4. So 4, and here I have taken 5 mole. So 4 into 5, how much it is? 20 gram. 4 into 5, it is 20 gram. So what is the total weight? What is the total weight? It is 4 plus 96, 100. 100 plus 20, it is 120 gram. Again, 4 plus 96, 100. 100 plus 20, it is 120 gram. This is the total mass of given mixture. This is the total mass of given mixture. How many total moles are present in the mixture? How many total moles are present in the mixture? You can see 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Total moles are 10. Total mole equal to 10. Now, can you answer what is the molar mass of this mixture? Can you answer, please? 12. Very good. Very good. 12. So total moles are 10. Total moles are 10, and total mass is 120. Total moles are 10 and total mass is 120. So you can say 10 moles of this substance means mixture. 10 mole of this substance weigh 120 gram. 10 moles of this substance weigh 120 gram, and I know that molar mass is defined for 1 mole only. So 10 mole is weighing 120, then 1 mole will weigh 120 by 10. So I can write it here. 10 mole is weighing 120 gram. So what will be the weight of 1 mole? It is 120 by 10. 120 by 10 means it is 12. And since it is defined for 1 mole, it is molar mass, and its unit will be gram per mole. Its unit will be gram per mole, and this is our answer. Okay, got the point? By this example, most of the students, even 100% students have given correct answer. All the students have given correct answer. Very good. So by this example, you can understand the concept that molar mass can be defined for 1 type of entity as well as mixture of different type of entities. That is very important concept. Okay. So firstly, please note down this example. Please note down this example. After that, I'll explain more examples. Okay. Is it visible to all? Okay. Anyone writing? Your writing work should be very fast. Faster you will write, more concepts will be delivered. Okay, done. You can write the answer also. It is 12 gram per mole. Done. Okay. 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 Now let's take another example. Let's say it is given we have a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen. In this mixture, 4 mole of nitrogen is present with 1 mole of oxygen. Find the molar mass of this mixture. You have 1 minute to solve this problem. This mixture contains 4 mole of nitrogen and 1 mole of oxygen, and you have to find the molar mass of given mixture. For that you have 1 minute. Please, your time start now. Please be careful. I am not asking total mass. I am asking molar mass. MW stands for molar mass. Okay, okay. Again I am repeating. I am asking molar mass of mixture 28.8, 28.8. 1 minute is completed. Okay, take 30 seconds also. Okay, no problem. Yeah, 28.8, 28.5, wrong answer, 28 point. Please do calculation work carefully. It is very simple calculation. Very simple calculation. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, 144 divided by 5. 140, 28.8. Good, good. 28.8. Okay, it is the right answer. Okay. Let's solve this problem. What I said, whenever molar mass of given mixture is asked, you have to solve the total mass first. How we can solve total mass? Here mixture contains nitrogen and oxygen. In this mixture 4 mole of nitrogen and 1 mole of oxygen is present. Can we find the total mass of this? Answer is yes, absolutely. How we can calculate? I can say molar mass of N2. Molar mass of N2 is 28. It means 1 mole of N2 will weigh 28 gram. Done. Here 4 moles are present. How many moles? 4 moles are present. So total weight of this part, this 4 mole of N2 will be 28 multiplied by 4. How much it will be? 20 into 4, 80 plus 8 into 4, 32, 112 gram. Okay. This is the mass of 4 mole of N2. But this mixture contains 1 mole of oxygen. So we have to consider this part also. 1 mole of oxygen, it is simple, 32 into 1, it is 32 gram. Okay, done. So for this mixture, total mass for this mixture, total mass is 112 plus 32. Okay. Total mass will be 112 plus 32. It will be 144. And what are the total moles? 144 is the total mass. Okay. Okay. And total number of moles? 4 plus 1. 4 moles of nitrogen, 1 mole of oxygen. Total moles are 5. Total moles is equal to 5. So molar mass will be, how we can solve? It is very simple mathematics. Okay, I can say 5 moles of mixture has weight 144 gram, and if I want to calculate mass for 1 mole, it will be 144 divided by 5, and this will be equal to 28 gram. Sorry, not 28 gram, 28.8 gram per mole. Okay. Most of the students have answered 28.8, which is correct. Those who have not answered 28.8, please try to solve this problem one more time, but not now, after completion of the class. Okay. Now, please note down this problem and its solution. Okay. Please note down. Is it done? Okay. Please comment if anyone is writing. Who is writing is, please comment. Okay. I think it's done. Okay. Done. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Now move to next part. That is molar volume. Next part is molar volume, and it is denoted as symbol Vm. Can you guess the definition? And for that, I can hint its definition is similar to definition of molar mass. But you have to change one thing. Instead of mass, you have to use volume. So, please reply volume of 1 mole of substance, volume of 1 mole of an atom. Not necessarily atom, it may be molecule also. Volume of 1 mole of any entity. This is also wrong. First of all, molar volume is defined for gases. Molar volume is defined for gases. Okay. Instead of using substance, you have to use term gas. Because molar volume is defined for gases only. Please listen. Molar volume is defined for gases only. After knowing this fact, just comment the definition. Volume of 1 mole of gas, Ramya. Volume of 1 mole of gas. Is it perfect? Or we can add some more things. Volume occupied by 1 mole of gas or a mixture of gases. Very good, very good, very good. Volume corresponding to or mixture of gas. Very good, very good. Mixture of gas. Okay, okay. Now you can understand the concept. You got the point. Yeah. I can see the comments. I can see the comments. Most of the students are going right. Now they can understand the concept. Volume of 1 mole of gas or mixture of different not species. Species may be liquid, may be solid. Use gas, specific. You should be precise. You should be concise on gas in the case of molar volume. It is not defined or it is not used for solid and liquid. For volume is used for gas and liquid and solid all. I am talking about molar volume. Mixture of, okay, okay, very good. Praveen, you are right. You have changed your answer and it is right. Okay, okay. So, molar volume is, please note down, molar volume, it is denoted by symbol Vm. It is the volume of 1 mole of gas. It is the volume of 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas or gaseous mixture. It is the volume of 1 mole of gas or gaseous mixture. Okay. Now, come to the point. Volume of gas or volume of any material, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, is affected by temperature. But let's concise ourselves in gas only. So, volume of gas is affected by temperature and pressure. Whether in the case of mass, it is independent of temperature and pressure. Mass is independent of temperature and pressure. That is why when we were explaining the molar mass, we have not discussed anything regarding temperature and pressure. But if we talk about the molar volume, and I said volume, and you also know, molar volume is defined for gases, and volume of gas depends on temperature and pressure. So I can say molar volume of gas will change by changing its temperature and pressure. So there is a lots of variations are possible for molar volume, but few standard things, few important things we should know at which molar volume can be explained. For that, first of all, we should know STP. STP is called standard temperature and pressure. STP is called standard temperature and pressure. Can anyone reply what is standard temperature, or what is the value of temperature and pressure with respect to STP? What is standard temperature and standard pressure? One ATM, no. Room temperature is wrong. I'm not asking volume. I'm asking standard temperature and standard pressure. Please write your answer with proper unit. 1 bar, okay. 0 degree, 1 atm, standard pressure 1 bar. Very good. Neha, 273. Okay. 1 bar is standard pressure, correct? Yeah. I have seen Galaxy, please. I have seen your message. No problem. You are right. Okay. Standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius. And standard pressure is 1 bar. That is very important. Standard pressure is 1 bar. 0 degree Celsius means 273.15 Kelvin. It is also very important. It is precisely 273.15 Kelvin. In numericals, oftenly we use 273 Kelvin. But actually it is 273.15 Kelvin. In practice, in general practice, while solving the problem, you use 273, there is no issue. But if, let examiner has asked, and he said, what is the value of standard temperature? There is 2 options. Out of 4, there is 2 options I am discussing. One is 273 Kelvin, another is 273.15 Kelvin. Then correct answer will be 273.15 Kelvin. You know the conversion of degree Celsius into Kelvin. In order to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, we have to add simply 273.15. Degree Celsius plus 273.15 is Kelvin. Pravina is saying, sir, it is 1 atm. No, you are wrong. Actually, 1 atm was the old definition of STP. As per new definition, and it is mentioned in your NCERT. If you open your NCERT of states of matter, they have explained standard temperature, standard ambient temperature and pressure. Even they have explained old concept of STP. Actually, in old concept, it was 1 ATM. Actually, in old concept of STP, it was 1 ATM. But now it is 1 bar. And it is available in your NCERT. Whatever we are teaching, it is available in NCERT. We will not go out of your syllabus, don't worry. We will always focus on your syllabus, we will always focus on your NCERT. Because we know that you have very little time. We are here to nurture you in such a manner that you get qualified for your examination. We are not here to show our knowledge. Okay. So standard pressure is 1 bar. Please be careful, it is 1 bar. 1 ATM is the old concept. 1 ATM for standard pressure is old concept. As per new concept, standard pressure is 1 bar. For more clarity, I will write it like this. For more clarity, I will write standard. Here I will also once again I will write standard. So we will be more clear about the concept. Now, can anyone tell me the molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gases at STP? I am repeating the question. Can anyone tell me the correct value of molar volume of ideal gas? Molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gases or mixture of ideal gases? Please reply. You have two choices. One is 22.41 liter and another is 22.71 liter. You have two choices. 22.41 liter, 22.71 liter. Or you can just reply 22.4 or 22.7. Mixed answer. Very few are saying 22.71 and most are saying 22.4. 22.4. Oh my God. Oh my God. Almost. Someone is asking what is the difference between bar and ATM. I'll explain later. Just wait for a few minutes, okay? We have sufficient time, no problem. Okay. 22.7, 22.7, 22.4, 22.4, 22.4. Okay. Most of the students are saying it is 22.4 and very few are saying it is 22.7. The correct answer is, it is suspense like our movies. Okay. The correct answer is it is like you are going to win 1 CR in KBC if you give correct answer. And for now, I am Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. 22.7. Okay, 22.4. Most of the students are saying it is 22.4. Okay, no problem. So, I am writing the answer. Molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gases is 22.71 liter. It is 22.71 liter, not 22.4 liter. For more precision, for more clarity, I have written 22.4 here and I have cut this. So that whenever you revise this concept, whenever, today, tomorrow, after 4 months, you will always recall me. You will always recall your concept and you say, oh, it was not 22.4, it was 22.7. Sir said that. Okay. So correct answer is that if someone asks you what is the molar volume, what is the and one more thing, it is 22.71. This is for ideal gases only or mixture of ideal gases only. In the case of real gas, this will change due to interaction and all. This will be explained you later. Okay, no problem. So, sir, one more thing. From where this 22.4 came? Why we have learned 22.4 so many times? In formula, we use 22.4 and it is very often. And you are saying it is 22.71. Here, the answer comes. Actually, there was old concept of STP. Old concept of STP. And all these things which I am explaining here are available in your NCERT. I am not beyond your syllabus. Okay, it is in your syllabus. It is in your NCERT. So someone is asking, sir, can you explain conversion of gram into ml? It will come later. Just wait. STP. There was a concept of STP which I can say, or you can understand, like old concept of STP. According to old concept of STP, standard temperature was undoubtedly 0 degrees Celsius or 273.15 Kelvin, but here is the difference. According to old concept of STP, 1 atm was taken as standard pressure, but now it is 1 bar. There is little difference, there is slight difference between 1 atm and 1 bar. I'll explain you. No, don't worry. But in order to understand what is the meaning, what is the significance of 22.4, from where it came, we need to understand the old concept of STP. As per old concept of STP, 1 atm was considered to be standard temperature. And at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure, molar volume is found to be 22.4 liter. That is important thing. So I can write here that molar volume, and again it is for ideal gas only, molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gases at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is 22.41 liter. You can simply say 22.4 liter, no problem. So this 22.4 liter came from the old concept of STP. As per new concept, it is 22.71 liter. Or simply remember 22.7, that is enough. Okay. So got the point? What is the difference between old concept of STP and actual concept of STP? What is the molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gas at STP? Anyone, please reply if you are not able to understand the concept. Only those people will reply who are not able to understand the concept. No, not a single reply. At least one, yaar, please. I am waiting. Please reply if you are not able to understand the concept. Okay, I think understood. Oh, okay, okay. I think everyone had understood the concept. No problem. That is very good. It means you are very much concentrated on your lecture. You are very focused. Because if you can understand these simple concepts, complex terms, only when you are very focused. So please note down this, which is visible on your screen. Okay, I think it is done. Now, please note down this part. Okay, it is available in next slide. Okay. So please note down this one also. Are you able to understand my handwriting? Yes. Okay. Sir, you are the new teacher in Gosalite. Okay, new in Gosalite, but very old teacher, teaching since 2010. Your AKD sir, Saurabh Pant sir, and myself, we were roommate in Kota. Someday when I will be free, then I'll explain you the old stories. Okay. Sir, may I know your name? I said earlier, myself Vijay Singh Parihar. You can call me VSP. That is enough. VSP. Okay. VSP. Pansar already said this. Okay. Now, one student is asking, sir, what is the difference between ATM and bar? And it is very important question. It is also useful in order to explain your boiling point concept, which you will learn in solution chapter. Actually, one ATM and one bar, there is slight difference. One bar is called standard pressure, and one ATM is called normal pressure. One ATM is called normal pressure. That is the naming part. Okay. One bar is standard pressure and one ATM is normal pressure. But it is not enough. We have to learn more things. Okay. 1 bar is exactly 10 to power 5 Pascal. Pascal is the unit of pressure, SI unit of pressure, or you can say it is Newton per meter square. You know the pressure, it is force per unit of area. Okay, so 1 bar is precisely or exactly 10 to power 5 Pascal, while 1 ATM is 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Or you can say it is nearly 10 to the power 5 Pascal. 1 bar is 10 to the power 5 Pascal, exactly, precisely 10 to the power 5 Pascal, and it is given in NCERT. And 1 ATM is 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. And from these two data, you can easily understand that 1 ATM, this 1 ATM pressure, if you compare in same unit, means in Pascal, you can easily find the answer. This 1 ATM is 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. This is slightly greater than 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Means you can say that 1 ATM is slightly greater than 1 bar, or you can say normal pressure is slightly greater than standard pressure. Normal pressure is slightly greater than standard pressure. So the person who are asking about this 1 bar and 1 ATM relation, have you got the answer? No reply? Okay, okay. He got the answer. Now you can note it down. Please note down as soon as possible. Someone is saying time is over. Whose time is over? Completed, done, done. Okay, okay. Very good. Now I am giving you one homework. Homework is, what is SATP? Means complete name of SATP. What is the temperature related to SATP? What is the pressure related to SATP? And most important thing, what will be the molar volume? What will be the molar volume related to SATP? Molar volume of ideal gas or mixture of ideal gas. Because in the case of real gas, it is not fixed. It changes. In the case of ideal gas, it depends on temperature and pressure only. But in the case of real gases, it changes with respect to nature of gas also. There is so many parameters for real gas. That is why in general we study for ideal gases, or we consider real gas as ideal gas to make our concept simpler. Okay. Sir, A means, it is the question. If I reply what is A means, then what is the significance of homework? Someone is saying, can we Google it? Don't Google it. Search in your NCERT. It is okay. Search in your NCERT. Don't Google it. I can explain. Yeah. Okay. I'll explain in next class. No problem. Search in your NCERT. Chapter. Class 11th NCERT, States of Matter. That is enough. That is enough hint. Now I have to do some hard work here. Okay. Okay. So from next class onward, we will learn some more concepts. Okay. Thank you. All the best.